Give me my crumpet.
What's a crumpet?
Give me my crumpet, you crumpet thief, before something bad happens.
What's a crumpet, and don't hurt me?
Okay, prepare for a battle. British school style.
What? How does it work?
It's a sing-off. I'll start. Oh crumpet, 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 oh. Crumpet, crumpet, ah.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, I thought you'd always love crumpets, but you lied to me plenty of times.
I win. So give me my crumpet.
No, I don't know what a crumpet is,